Alright, so good to be back. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Edson. Today I want to show you how we can repair a corrupted database. Right, so you can see right here I have my Xampp control panel, and so I want to start these two services, Apache and MySQL. So if I start Apache, you can see Apache is working, but if I start MySQL, you can see what's happening down here. I have this error right here. MySQL shut down unexpectedly. So this may be due to a blocked port, missing dependencies, improper privileges, a crash, or a shutdown by another method. This is a corrupted database, and so we want to repair that database. So the way you do that is you go to your Xampp installation. So mine is in my D drive, yours could be in your C drive. Find where you installed Xampp, this folder right here. You want to double click to open, and you want to go to MySQL. So this is MySQL database. This is the one that we want to fix, okay? Because you can see right here is MySQL that we are having problems with. And so I'm going to open up MySQL, double click to open, and you can see right here we have a number of folders right here. We want to duplicate this data. We want to back it up in case we run into some issues. And so the first thing we need to do is right click, and we want to copy this. We want to duplicate. Control V to paste it right here. You can see it says data copy. I want to rename this data underscore duplicate. You can name it whatever you want. This is the one that you want to repair. Right, so before we move ahead, you can see there's a backup folder right here. If you open this backup folder, these are the files you want to delete from that data folder. You want to delete this file called MySQL, performance schema, PHP, myadmin, and test, and all these other files that are down here, except for one file, which is this IB data one. Right, so if I am to go back, I have to open this data, and so each and every folder, you can see it corresponds to your database that you created in PHP myadmin. So I have this blog app and etc. So the folders that we want to delete, MySQL, performance schema, PHP myadmin, this one, and then test, this one. These four folders. How do I know? If you go to your backup, you see these four folders. These are the ones that you want to remove from that data. And so I'm going to go back into the data folder, MySQL, performance schema, and then PHP myadmin, and then test. So I'm going to hit delete, hit that delete, and then they're gone, right? Those files are gone. And also every other file except for this IB data. So I'm going to select all these files down here. Do not delete these folders up here because these are your databases. And then hold Control, deselect IB data, and hit delete right here. Once you clean up this folder right here called data, I want you to go back to this folder called backup. Select everything except for IB data, and then hold Control and then deselect this IB data because we do not want this. And then I'm going to say Control C to copy this, and then go back inside your data. Now we're going to replace those files that we removed, and so I'm going to right click here, and then I'm going to hit paste, and you can see now we have these files back. These are the new files that we took from the backup folder, which is this folder right here. So let me go back. Right here I need to close this and restart. Double click to open, and now I can restart my services. Let me see Apache. If I stop and restart, and then MySQL, look at MySQL. If I start MySQL, now it's working. You can see MySQL is no longer having any issues. It's not working. This is how you have to do it. If it's not working, if changing port is not working, any other solution is not working, you have to clean up your database because it will be corrupted. I hope this has been helpful. If you find this video helpful, you can leave a like, subscribe to the channel. I hope to see you in my next tutorial. For now, I'm out. Cheers.